In modern warfare, controlling the skies is not just a tactical advantage, it's a necessity that can determine the outcome of entire conflicts. Air superiority allows a nation to protect its forces, gather intelligence, and strike targets with precision, often before the enemy even knows what's coming. The race to dominate the skies has driven nations to invest billions in cutting-edge technology, advanced training, and relentless innovation. For years, the United States has set the standard with the F-35 Lightning II, a fifth-generation stealth fighter that combines speed, agility, and advanced sensors. The F-35 is more than just a plane, it's a flying computer, capable of sharing data in real time and evading enemy radar. Its presence alone can shift the balance of power in any region. Yet, the global landscape is changing. Sweden's Saab Gripen E has emerged as a formidable challenger, designed specifically to counter the F-35's stealth and electronic warfare capabilities. The Gripen E's strategy isn't just about matching the F-35's technology. It's about outsmarting it, using innovative tactics, cost-effective design, and adaptability to level the playing field. This evolving rivalry is forcing military strategists worldwide to rethink what true air power means. It's no longer just about having the most expensive or technologically advanced aircraft, but about integrating new ideas, flexible tactics, and rapid adaptation. Innovation, it seems, can disrupt even the most established power structures. The rise of the Gripen E raises a critical question for the future of aerial combat. Is the most costly solution always the best, or can smarter, more agile approaches redefine what it means to rule the skies? As new contenders emerge, the quest for air superiority is far from over. It's entering a bold new era. The Saab Gripen E's edge lies in digital warfare, integrating advanced sensors, electronic warfare, and AI. Unlike the F-35's stealth, the Gripen sees all, turning the F-35's strength into a vulnerability. Its sensor fusion system creates a comprehensive tactical map, enhancing situational awareness. The electronic warfare suite detects faint emissions, locating threats without revealing its position. AI orchestrates these systems, making stealth targets visible and vulnerable. The Gripen's advanced technology is designed to counter even the most elusive stealth aircraft, such as the F-35. While stealth jets are built to evade traditional radar, the Gripen uses sophisticated infrared search and track sensors, or IRST, to detect the heat signatures that all aircraft emit. No matter how well an aircraft is shaped to avoid radar, it still generates heat from its engines and airframe, especially at high speeds or during maneuvers. The IRS system can pick up these subtle differences in temperature, allowing the Gripen to spot a stealth fighter even when it's trying to hide. But the Gripen doesn't stop there. Its electronic warfare suite is constantly scanning the skies for even the faintest electronic emissions. Stealth fighters like the F-35 still need to communicate, navigate, and use their own sensors, which can give off tiny signals. The Gripen system can intercept these signals, analyze them, and triangulate the position of the enemy aircraft, all without ever turning on its own radar, which would give away its location. This passive detection method is like eavesdropping on a conversation in a crowded room, picking out the important details without being noticed. The real magic happens when the Gripen works as part of a network. Multiple Gripens, or even other allied aircraft, can share their sensor data in real time. This sensor fusion means that information from infrared sensors, electronic warfare systems, and even ground-based radars can be combined to create a much clearer picture of the battle space. By pooling their data, these jets can pinpoint the location of a stealth fighter with remarkable accuracy, even if it's trying to slip through undetected. This multi-sensor approach is a game-changer. It effectively strips away the cloak of invisibility that stealth aircraft rely on. By using a combination of heat detection, electronic signal interception, and shared data, the Gripen can reveal the presence of even the most advanced stealth jets. Suddenly, the F-35's greatest advantage, its ability to remain unseen, is put to the test. Imagine being in a pitch-black room. The F-35 is like a master of hiding in the darkness, but the Gripen comes in with thermal goggles and ultra-sensitive microphones. It can see the heat from your body and hear the faintest whisper, making it nearly impossible for you to stay hidden. This analogy captures how the Gripen uses its advanced sensors to hunt for stealth aircraft. In some cases, The Gripen can even use the F-35's own systems against it. By detecting the electronic emissions from the F-35's radar or communication devices, the Gripen can pinpoint its location and gain a tactical advantage. In the world of modern aerial combat, it's not just about who can hide the best, it's about who can find the hidden. The Gripen's blend of technology and strategy makes it a formidable opponent for any stealth fighter. The Gripen E's ability to counter stealth technology is rapidly reshaping the landscape of global fighter jet acquisitions. As air forces around the world seek to modernize their fleets, the Gripen E stands out for its advanced electronic warfare systems and adaptability, making it a formidable contender against even the most sophisticated stealth aircraft. This capability is not just a technical advantage, it's a strategic game changer, prompting military planners to rethink their long-term procurement strategies. Countries that once viewed the F-35 as the only viable option are now reconsidering their choices. The Gripen offers not only operational independence, but also significant cost-effectiveness, both in terms of acquisition and long-term maintenance. For many nations, this means the ability to maintain a cutting-edge air force without being tied to restrictive export controls or expensive support contracts. The flexibility to upgrade and customize the Gripen according to national needs is a major draw for air forces seeking greater autonomy. Canada, for example, was once firmly committed to the F-35 program. However, recent debates in Parliament and among defense experts have brought the Gripen into the spotlight. The promise of greater autonomy, local industry participation, and the ability to tailor the aircraft to Canadian requirements has sparked serious discussions about switching to the Gripen. This debate reflects a broader trend among US allies who are seeking alternatives that better align with their national interests. Such shifts in procurement strategy directly challenge Lockheed Martin's long-standing dominance in the fighter jet market. The US strategy of promoting a unified air power platform through the F-35 is now being tested as more countries weigh the benefits of diversification and independence over standardization. This evolving dynamic could have far-reaching implications for global defense alliances and the future of military aviation. The Gripen's appeal lies not just in its advanced technology, but in the flexibility it offers to partner nations. Saab, the manufacturer, emphasizes collaboration, allowing customers to participate in upgrades and modifications. This approach gives countries more control over their defense destiny, fostering a sense of partnership rather than dependency. In today's complex geopolitical environment, nations are increasingly seeking partners who can provide not only advanced hardware, but also strategic independence. The ability to make sovereign decisions about upgrades, data sharing, and operational use is becoming just as important as raw performance. The rise of the Gripen signals a new era in the global fighter market, one where competition is fierce, choices are more diverse, and nations are empowered to shape their own defense futures. As more countries consider the Gripen, the balance of power in the skies is set to become more dynamic than ever before. The Gripen E offers cost-effectiveness and technological sovereignty, appealing to budget-conscious nations. Its lower acquisition and operational costs allow for larger fleets and more frequent missions. Saab provides greater control over systems, avoiding US vendor lock-in. The Gripen's design emphasizes flexibility, operating from austere locations with quick turnaround. It ensures high sortie rates, crucial in conflicts targeting major airfields. NATO compatibility and sovereign control make the Gripen a practical powerhouse. The F-35 remains dominant, offering true fifth-generation capabilities with stealth and networked warfare. Its interoperability within NATO ensures seamless joint operations and strategic alliances. While the Gripen offers independence, it still relies on US components, subject to export controls. Countries heavily invested in the F-35 face logistical challenges in switching. The F-35's selection by discerning nations underscores its enduring strengths against future threats. The Gripen E's challenge to the F-35 marks a pivotal moment in the evolution of aerial warfare. It proves that digital prowess can now rival physical stealth, offering nations a more nuanced and strategic choice than ever before. The competition between these jets spurs rapid innovation, benefiting global air forces with increasingly diverse and advanced capabilities. The future may well favor a mixed fleet approach, leveraging the unique strengths of each aircraft for maximum effectiveness. The Gripen's rise highlights strategic innovation, redefining what air superiority means in the context of the modern battlefield.